In a surprising turn of events, the obesity drug market has taken a dramatic downturn, with shares for Novo Nordisk plummeting 21.8% by midday Tuesday to $53.98. This steep decline follows an overestimation of sales expectations for obesity drugs in 2023 and early 2024. Eli Lilly, a competitor in this market, also saw shares drop by 4.8%. Novo Nordisk, which was once the most valuable company in Europe, slashed sales and profit guidance for 2025 due to persistent competition from cheaper compounded knockoffs of their mega-blockbuster weight loss drug Wegovy. The company also announced that Maziar Mike Doustdar, an insider who previously led international operations for Novo Nordisk, will succeed outgoing CEO Lars Fruergaard Jørgensen as the new leader. Despite these challenges, Novo's second quarter earnings came in slightly better than expected at 5.96 Danish krone per share, compared to the 5.90 DKK consensus estimate. However, the guidance cuts were significant, with sales growth for 2025 now projected between 8% and 14%, down from expectations set in May of between 13% and 21%. The company's operating profit growth is expected to be between 10% and 16%, down from its prior estimate of between 16% and 24%. Novo largely blames the cut on compounded GLP-1 drugs, the cheaper versions of Wegovy that telehealth pharmacies sold en masse in 2024 and early 2025. Despite the Food and Drug Administration determining that the shortage of Wegovy had ended, mass compounding continues. As a result, fewer patients than expected have turned to Novo's own cash pay option for Wegovy, leading to these problems that now fall on Maziar Mike Doustdar's shoulders. He is the sixth CEO in Novo Nordisk's 102-year history and the first person not from Denmark to lead the company. In a media call, Doustdar expressed urgency and stated his focus will be on improving commercial execution and cutting costs. He remains optimistic about Novo's position in the market, citing the company's manufacturing capabilities, science, commercial activities, and brand recognition as key strengths. The weight loss drug market is expected to become increasingly crowded as more companies develop similar drugs.